normal kenem kanasin kontilien ke Läär ka Nuer online TV channel ke jen gwas me goro jen wo bay nyakel ka breaking news miche tokre which ka Gogrial West County re which mishale Mabor Court village gwas mi take date South Sudan People Defense Force michi gan matot miteke runwell kel sheje moy ka bot beje lar ye ki banjeling chawraj mo chajalat wood michal ke nial en re wichen winami bu kon kula linkel do badan en togri ga mokaje mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel ko ngay kon la kon leer lingwas mena won de jegono jen ko comment ki ku je chair en leer bu kon lingwas me gawode kon ngande kon kaling goy en leer ban lingwas me chaladen wote ko won mete ko run jen ngwani do badak ca dol mete ko run wel kel ca mo ka bot gwas mi ci bom mete ka je chamar jena la wata tede te ka bom jen gwas dan en togri ko motin wachi bom mo ci shumar ke ci explode en gwas mo ci garator mo ci mo ci mo ka bot en garamo chayo nang dul wal dul wal chanang tin chanang commercial turale hospital ko ba bodemo ba jogitin gwas me roye chala ke gwas ke english chala nena 48 years old Lancy Corporal with the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF is in police custody following an hand grenade explosion that injured an 11-year-old boy in Mabor Court village, Gogrial West County. The explosion, which occurred at around 3:30 p.m. on Sunday, is under investigation. National Police Service spokesperson Colonel John Kasara Kwangnial said the grenade belonged to the suspect. He confirmed that the boy, whose name has not been disclosed, was injured in the blast. The explosion resulted in the injury of an 11-year-old boy, Nial stated. He was immediately referred to the Turali hospital for medical treatment. The severity of his injuries are not yet confirmed, but he is currently under care. The incident has raised alarm among local residents about the presence of the unexploded ordnance in the area. Local officials have urged the community to be vigilant as exploded ordnance remain at risk in some regions. So neme jorwaydan kala no on deje me deje South Sudan People Defense Force jaramadan en jel ke bom ke jaramadan kuna kuka bom chawraje mo cha chu kwen ajanda na gorde nyoga yekel en biate kamal ban nyoji kumrodin bye bye.